Okay guys, we got this next grill, 4-burner stainless steel gas grill. That was $349. New lower price, $299. We got the Kingsford Charcoal, 2 20-pound bags, was $19.98. New lower price, $17.88. We got the Kingsford Charcoal lighter fluid, was $7.58. New lower price, $4.98. That is for the 64-ounce bottle. We got a special price on the Scotch mulch, the 1.5 cubic feet bag. That was $3.33. New lower price, $2. You can choose from the brown, the black, or the red. We got the Miracle Grow garden soil, 3/4 cubic foot bag. That price was $4.27. Sale price, $2.50 each. Got a great price on these 4-inch by 8-inch Holland pavers. 25 cents each. You can get them in red, or you can get them in gray. We've got a special price on the 4-inch by 12-inch retaining wall blocks. $2.18 each. You can get them in tan, or you can get them in a red. We got this Husky 36-inch 12-drawer chest and cabinet combo in red. Was $5.98. Now $4.98. Does have the soft closed drawer. You have the 9-inch deep bottom drawer. You have the built-in electrical outlets and 2 USB ports. That's a good looking toolbox. Okay guys, we got a really good price on this Husky 46-inch 9-drawer mobile workbench, $348. There's your number. It's a good looking workbench. You got 2 bottom drawers, 9 inches deep. On the side, you have 6 electrical outlets, 2 USB ports. And that does have the soft closed drawers. $348. We got this rigid 4-tool combo kit. You're going to get a hammer drill driver, an impact driver, a recip saw, an oscillating tool. You get 1 2-amp-hour battery, 1 4-amp-hour battery, 1 battery charger, and 1 tool bag. That price is $3.99. Then you'll get to pick 2 free tools. We got a special on this Ryobi 6-tool combo kit. The store's temporary out of them right now, so I'll just show you the ad. But you're going to get a flashlight, a drill driver, an impact driver, circular saw, recip saw, oscillating tool, battery charger, 1 1.5-amp-hour battery, 1 4-amp-hour battery, all for $2.99. You can get a free Milwaukee pack-out crate when you spend $219 or more on Milwaukee.